Anyone who is of God will love. How? In Jesus, who is within us. That is what is being told to us in the first reading. It is He who loves through us. What happens to us? We try to love, and we try to be Jesus by not being in union with Him. No. It is by being in union with Jesus that Jesus will love through us, because we are all part of His body. And when we serve one another, we are allowing Him to take care of each other through us. Just as the cells of our body do that. They are doing what they have to do with Him, and He, through them, is doing to His body what has to be done. Who is in control? Jesus. Let us keep this in mind today as we listen to the Word of God. And every time we celebrate, it is only love of God that we celebrate. What has been said to us, not that we love God first, He loves us first, and therefore be open to that. If we are open to this, that means we are not self-centered, we are God-centered, because He is always loving us. And let us keep this in mind, that we get this grace to live it out through the other part where He has died to make this happen. And we shall receive Him in our hearts, so that not we, but He will work, live, love and work through us. Join your hands for a while. Keep your eyes closed. There are many things that we have heard. By ourselves we will not be able to implement it. Though it sounds simple, it takes a lifetime to do all of this. And only in Him who is the Master and King of life, in Him we can implement it.